I guess welcome to today's vlog. The date is... What's the date? The date is October 8th, 12/21 on a Saturday. We're doing the HQ office rebuild, which is going to be epic, once again. And we're starting outside with cameras, because we're going to do a whole network infrastructure. So, here's before, and here's after. What we did like a couple years ago. I think I made a vlog on how to do that. Then the desk, 2 monitor setup. It's going to be radically different. So, more's that. It's 134. We're this far. We cut the hole, and we're now going to take power from. Yeah. Anyways, we're going to take power from. So he's building this. We're doing all communications in it. There's a panel. He's going to go in here. We're going to steal power from here, and nothing in here is going to consume more than 15 amps, so it should be fine. And then after that, we have a hole going down 2 inches. We're going to put a PVC pipe all the way to the crawl space, and then one that's going to go in the attic, which will allow us to run all the wires we'll ever need easily in here. And everything's going to be in here. And yeah, it's my challenge of the day. We have no light because we're changing now. 233, and this is what we got done. We have the shelves on the edges, and then we also have this awesome 2x4 surround here. Yeah, this is his stuff. That's what we ran last time, which I didn't make a video of. This is the panel. I really wish they had a 2-inch on the bottom, but this is, we have a 2-inch electrical conduit. We're going to be going, I'll get a flashlight because we'll never see this again. We have a 2-inch going in the crawl space, and then we're going to have a 2-inch going up, which we haven't drilled yet because we have to go in the attic to do it. And this is for the crawl space, and 2-inch should be plenty to run all our Ethernet stuff. To run up in the attic, I cut this piece, which is going to be on top, so this is backwards, and it's going to go to the attic, and this will be running the vertical stuff of signaling. And then here's our power, 110 volts, 15 amps. It'll be decent to power everything in this cabinet. And this is the cabinet right here. It's a 42? No, I think it's way smaller. Oh, I forgot. This is the panel. And yeah, it's all around good. So now we're just gonna put a marking screw so we know where to drill, and then we're gonna just go on from there. So day, epic day, HQ, Overhaul, part 1. I don't know what we're doing. So yeah, this will be cool. More happens. Welcome back. 7:15 right now, October 8th. HQ overhaul, office overhaul is on its way. Blowing.
Martian or something like that?
So, this is what we got done so far. We got the panel in, secured, vibration proof mounts. A third of the CCTV cameras are put in. So we can get like 5 cameras put up. Yeah. Ethernet, that's for another time. Power, probably Monday. Then mounting of the DVR is probably Monday. And yeah, we have cable going up, tube going up, and tube going down. Power, all that, and then I'm gonna put the panel on tonight. Panel door. And this is how the desk's going. We're gonna put a resin coat on it, probably an inch. So yeah, that's going on its way. That B-roll. Jeez. Is this one? Yeah. No, I'm not. So you'll be seeing a lot more of this side of the office of it, and how it's going to change with gear and stuff. But yeah, this is where we shot ESOG episode 1. Right here. It was really ghetto, but it worked-ish. So yeah, I was falling behind vlog. It was a busy day. You can't really vlog on a busy day. You can hear how busy, and it's like almost 9. Was it 9? I don't even know when. But yeah. So I'm gonna, if there's more to vlog, I'll vlog. So more than that, there's more. We're gonna mount the DVR. Small QCHD. Thankfully, it has hardware to mount it with. I hope all the stuff we put in here has at least a mounting screw somewhere. If not, it sucks. It doesn't suck, it just gives you a pain, but you know. At least there's only 3 big things that are gonna be mounted. The rest of all they're just wires and stuff. So. So the time was like 8:32, and this is wrap of day 1. I got the DVR installed. It's very janked. This is literally overnight test. Make sure this thing is all right. We have only 5 channels out of the 16. We only have 12 cameras though, but we can have, you know, stuff. I seal this in for make sure no mice get in. There's a mouse plugged in. It's safe. It's low voltage. So this is what we're getting. They're super high definition cameras. And desk wise, which is one of the biggest keys. Look at this. It has to be vacuumed. Let the glue dry. We're gonna stain all of this, including this, and then we're gonna put a coat of epoxy resin so that it's a hard finish. And then it's gonna be hard and it's gonna be clear, and you can see the textures and the grunge in it, and it's just gonna be all around awesome. And there's gonna be power and Ethernet taps and all that, because there's in this panel over here we're gonna have a modem and a switch, and then up in the ceiling somewhere here we're gonna have a router that's really powerful. Like we have our eyes on the moon, so it's gonna be cool. But yeah, this is what's done so far today, day 1 of HQ Office Overhaul 2016. It's probably not gonna be named that, but you know, it works. So that's the end of today's vlog, and we'll be back next time here at the HQ. So yeah, I'm gonna catch these. See ya.